I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a front door. First, let's talk about planning. Accurate measurements are key, so carefully measure your existing door frame opening, both its width and height, at 3 different points. This ensures a perfect fit for your new door. Next, choose a door that complements your home's aesthetic and provides adequate security. Finally, gather all necessary tools, including a drill, level, shims, and a pry bar before you begin. Now, let's get to removing the old door. Start by carefully tapping out the hinge pins from the top, middle, and bottom hinges using a hammer and a nail set. Once the pins are out, have a friend help you lift the door straight up and away from the frame. If you are replacing the entire door frame, gently pry off the interior and exterior trim pieces around the frame using a pry bar, being mindful not to damage the wall. With the old door gone, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the new door frame into the opening. Use a level to ensure it is perfectly plumb and square, adjusting with shims as needed. Once aligned, secure the frame with screws through the shims. Next, hang the new door onto its hinges. Finally, install your chosen doorknob and deadbolt hardware, making sure they operate smoothly and securely. To complete your door replacement, focus on the finishing touches. Apply new weather stripping around the entire door frame to create a tight seal, preventing drafts and improving your home's energy efficiency. Next, use exterior-grade caulk to seal any small gaps between the door frame and the wall, both inside and out. Finally, install your new interior and exterior trim pieces, painting or staining them to match your home's decor for a truly polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.